It's cold aside. You've only got 20 seconds left before you die.
Wow, I think I can cut the chicken here with a knife. What a fake friend just wanted to go and grab a bite, a little slow roast, open flame, what a delight. But no, gotta get all weird on me.